Yeah, it's Jeff Button here again. Guess I didn't have the mic on. Anyways, back again on the same trail. I just wanted to continue off from where I was last night. And I want to make a correction. Yesterday was not the 1st of October. It was the last day of September. So today is October 1st. A little chillier out here today, 4 or 5 degrees cooler. But it's nice. And I was only a couple hundred feet away before turning the corner, and I would have seen the Fernald Station. But oh well, it was dark anyway, so now you get to see it in the light. Yeah, we'll finish the walk. So I met that woman, the person that what I thought was just some type of red thing on the ground. She stood up and was a woman, and so we got chatting and find out she watches the hippies as growers. She was interested in gold prospecting. Got dark, and then I kind of walked down the trail with her, so she wouldn't have to be in the dark by herself most of the time. But it had a long walk. It ended up being a couple hours, so I didn't get home till almost 8 o'clock. So anyways, I'm gonna swap around and let you see the ducks. You see the ducks over there. There's a bunch of them. Nice spot. So that out beyond there is that's Lake Wentworth. Those ducks kind of moved off to the right a little bit. So back out so you can see the whole area. It's a nice little spot. Take a look at the other side. Fernald Brook. That's right. The ducks are quacking. So there must be beaver that comes around here. But we saw the great blue hen fly in, and he's out there looking for some fish. These changed a little bit more overnight. And it says where that other person is, where that woman was yesterday. So, alrighty, pause it for now. Just talk to an older gentleman. I always meet nice people here, like I said before, but yeah, there's a red squirrel over there. Yeah, I wonder what this trail is. Maybe I'll come down here a little bit. It's just curious. It won't be as long of a walk anyway, so. This might be a nice spot to come when the trees are all changed. Yeah, I kind of wanted to get out anyways. I had to go up, possibly get gas in the car. I didn't want it to run out. So I wanted a gray squirrel. Take advantage of my roving rewards, but I'm still 2-gallon short. It's like, oh well. I couldn't get any more in it anyhow. Some yellowish trees, but still haven't changed quite yet. The changing though, just overnight I noticed change. I don't know how far this goes, but another place if I want to take a nice quiet walk. really flat. Well, definitely a trail. I don't know where it goes to. There's an arrow right there. It's almost jacket weather. I mean, I could wear a jacket, but it's probably around 3:30 right now, so it's gonna get real chilly tonight. Well, just curious if this path swings around and goes right back out to that trail. I don't know. I think it's the brook to the left of me. Yeah, I think it is. See some boulders here and there exposed. Can't see much here, but I'm just going downhill. There's an opening here to this swampy area. I'll check it out. Maybe we'll see a deer. Must be really hard to walk around and stuff without being detected. It's so dry and crunchy. Yep, big opening. Something come down here. Probably, yeah, getting a sip of water. I can see the looks of it. Looks like deer tracks. Yeah, it's a little softer here. I mean, that could be moose tracks, actually. Kind of big. That would be real neat. All right. Well, not moose. So I'm just gonna walk down the trail a little ways. I'll probably pause this and just see something exciting. Some views. Turn around and go get back on Cotton Vallery Rail-Trail. Some gnarly trees there. I have a feeling this might not actually go right back to the trail. It could go out to the highway or something. All right, pause it for now. Big old dead piece of wood there, but you see the colors starting to change. But it's not that pretty yet. Almost back out to the Cotton Valley Trail, but my guess is that this is also used for snowmobiling, because why would you put a stop sign there? So, anyways, that was kind of a little interesting. It's just nice and quiet. But somebody just drove by on a bike. I saw that just a big darkness. I thought maybe it was a critter, but it wasn't. Anyways, as soon as we get around this corner here, we'll see Fernald Station across the street and get a better look at it. Not a whole lot to see, but I think they possibly have a museum or something there. A couple of different buildings. It's a little breeze. It's comfortable enough. I'm in my short sleeve shirt. Got a t-shirt underneath it, but this is the shirt I'm wearing. It's kind of thin anyway, so. But it's just enough. Walking and not really chilled. So, yeah. I think where I saw her, she was, I can't see it yet, but it's a broken branch, but I'm pretty sure it was like about 100 feet in front of me. She hadn't come from that way, she was behind me, so. And it was her first time up here too, so she'd never been on these trails. But I think there's a secret geocache around here. If you're into that stuff, but that stuff's been going on for a long time. But yeah, somebody maybe marked it with a little yellow tag here. So. Anyways, just around the corner here, you'll start seeing that. I just saw a car go by. That's how close I was. So I could have finished this off actually last night. Would have been dark though. Wouldn't seen much. So I didn't really want a real long walk today. It was quite long yesterday. I want to get back and things to do. Hippies are on later tonight. I think Mama Bird and JP will be on a little bit. Catch them down my prospector. But yeah, there it is. Can't really see it. But getting closer and closer. And that being quite a long trip, actually, that round trip I did, longer than normal, probably. At least I'm not in shape. But it's possibly I'll try the other side. We'll see. The foliage can hold off for the next couple of weeks. Not change too fast. May be interesting, but I also want to, like I said, a couple of trips maybe downtown and some of the Abenaki ski areas. Two areas, one off the 109 kind of downtown area, and the other one's closer to it, Tuftonboro, 109A. But Fernald, that sign says, but it says Fernald Station Freight House. All right. I just parked over here to the right myself. I wonder what these vehicles are. So, let these cars go by. A line of them. It says Fernald Crossing P. Private road though. All right, go quick. This car coming the other way. Well, what's the time? Yes. Although maybe, I don't know. I don't see the second hand moving. Boston and Maine Railroad. But see, we'll go on the corner here. So, didn't take that shot right like I thought it did. So, it goes right that way. But, looks like they had cars that came in here, right into this building. Cotton Vallery Rail-Trail Club. So, I think the guys kind of keep equipment and work out of to help maintain the trails. But obviously, these tracks lead right into it. So they must have came into this house at one time to do some maintenance work. Two doors here. There we go. Here's something. It says, so Route 16, 7.8 miles. Downtown must be the Wolfboro Station, I imagine. 2.1 miles. Cotton Valley, 3.1 mile that way. I'm not sure it's Cotton Valley Station or something. Closer so you can see it. I can't even see it with this. So, anyways, side of the building here. There's another look of it. So, the previous video, we were down here. Not downtown, we were probably right around there. And Bridge Falls Path, turning the Cotton Valley, because when it costs 28 here, something like that. We walked up to over here, Whitnick Road. So last night we came up to here. Today we must have came way up here. Didn't quite make it. So So I took 28, 109, 28. Where's the 109? Can't really see it, but anyways, we're here. Oh, there's Cotton Vallery Station. So the train track must go that way. But I think we'll stop at Lake Wentworth. I'll take some video footage. Use it another point. Fernald Station and crossing. This photograph was taken from Route 109, looking northwest sometime around the turn of the century, perhaps even earlier. The structure on the left was removed long ago, but the Cape Cod-style house in the distance is still there. It has changed a little. It has changed little over time, except for the paving of the road and the introduction of many trees. Yeah, there was no stop. We just went. Listen, people. Well, the 12-mile trail between Wolfville and Wakefield. I got a pamphlet here. Really cool. Read up on it. Fernald Station, Wolfville. Got a nice little place to have a picnic or rest. So here's another view of so this back bay. That's where we started previous times. Coming to the Goodwin Basin I was talking about. Somewhere in here, they took the stone out, make the causeway here. It used to be part of Crescent Lake, and this used to be the Fernald Basin, was part of Lake Wentworth. They used a stone there for the crossing. That's Wet Neck. This is where we were yesterday, parked. Check that, birds and the fish. So, Fernald Brook. You were here, so we made it up to around here. So we went, well, 1 3/4 mile last night. One way. So then it continues on. So maybe if I go by the mile marker, I just kind of guess. I can take it, but there's no road or anything. I just have to go back. But I could maybe try to find where this Bryan Road is and at some point. Try different areas, but we'll see. Yeah, thank you for watching, coming on this walk with me, and I'll do some more. So I feel like I was a little better than I was in the spring, quite a bit actually, but still I don't feel like I'm up to the power where I should be with some strength wise. But of course I want to get back out prospecting again soon, so haven't been out since August 28th, so quite a while. But got an event in Maine a couple of weeks, the 18th. So, but anyways, thank you for watching again, and until the next time, we'll see you later. And thanks for watching. Yeah, and if you could you consider to like and subscribe? It would be much appreciated. Thank you very much. Hi, I guess I couldn't go to the jump button again anyways, but I couldn't get to like coming to Wentworth State Park. They're closed for the season, but pulled off the side of the road so you can see a different point. The sun is right in my eyes. I can't see anything, but I got this pretty orange tree behind me. Some colors. So this is just another view of Lake Wentworth. So the water's like crystal clear here. Rocky, stony. But there's that big island I was seeing yesterday. So we were way down that end to where LB Beach is. They're right on the road here. So here are the cars. But anyways, there you go. The park is just down the road there on the right. It's a big gate. It's a ranger truck there, but I don't know. I didn't want to risk going in there and get in trouble. I saw another car parked over there, but doesn't mean I should be doing something that might be wrong either. But over there's private property, so signs there. So, but, okay. These birches would have looked really nice, but they dropped their leaves already.